SEOptimer's White Label and Embedding plan is the ultimate solution for digital agencies to create beautiful White Label SEO audits and generate new business leads. Let's walk through the 9 main sections of the tool, starting with Quick Audits. The Quick Audit bar located at the top of every page lets you run the standard SEOptimer audits you know and love without restrictions. When running a quick audit, your results will load immediately in the Audit Results section. From here, you can download the PDF or copy the report URL. Next, the White Label Reports tab allows you to generate beautiful downloadable white label reports for clients or prospects. Adding a website from this field will add it to the following table for easy tracking. Each white label report can then be viewed in web or in PDF white label mode. Web mode loads the website audit instantly and allows for easy sharing via the URL. All your white label reports will run from our generic non-branded domain, websiteauditserver.com, which can be white labeled as discussed later. Running a PDF version of the report takes a little longer, but provides you a PDF that can be saved and shared with clients or prospects. You'll notice in the white label view, SEOptimer's branding has been removed. The report is using SEOptimer's generic white label report template, which by default is blank, but can then be customized to include your branding and settings. The report template section is where you can customize your white label report in depth. Upload your agency logo, fill in your company contact details and website. Some of the other customizations include report language. SEOptimer supports 14 languages. You can also customize the scoring type used in the report between grade scoring, A to F, or numeric scoring, 0 to 100. Further down, you can turn on or off all the different types of checks we run. You can also customize the fonts and colors used in the report too. Finally, you can preview your changes to the template or save your settings. At the top of the page, you can also create up to 3 different report templates and customize each one accordingly. Then choose from these in the White Label Reports page. Adding your agency's branding, like this, to your reports is a great way to impress clients and prospective clients. If you plan to share your audit reports, you can white label the domain and change it from our generic domain. To white label the domain, you have 2 choices. You can either set a custom subdomain like youragency.websiteauditserver.com, or you can completely white label the domain to something like reports.youragency.com. Using your own domain, however, does require you to add a CNAME record to your domain. The Embedding Settings page helps you to set up and install the Embeddable Audit Tool widget. You can completely customize every aspect of the embed form, including the form behavior, like how the report should be displayed or not displayed, as well as the subsequent action. You can customize the form fields and define custom fields, and you can also change the form layout and customize form element colors. You can preview how the form looks in a separate page too. Once you click Save Settings, a HTML code block will be produced, which you can then copy and paste into your site to activate the form. We have full installation guides which walk you through the process of installing the form in some of the most popular CMS platforms. Below this, you can customize the email settings. There are 2 types of emails. The first is a new lead alert, which you can send to yourself. The second is an email which can be automatically sent to the customer once they submit the form. You can choose to attach their site audit as a PDF, customize all the standard email form fields, as well as how the email looks, including fonts, colors, your agency logo, and its position. If you experience spam being submitted, you can set up blocks based on IP address, email address, or audit URL. Leads can be pushed automatically into your CRM or any other destination that supports webhooks. Simply paste your webhook handler URL here, or alternatively, you can use the SEOptimer Zapier app to achieve this automation. Click the how-to link at the top of the page to view the full installation guide, or check the video description for the link. The leads page contains all the leads captured by the Embeddable Audit tool. You can view the lead details here, open the audit report, or export all the records too. The next feature is website crawls. This section allows you to run a more in-depth review of a website, which may take 20 minutes or so, depending on the size of your site. Your previous crawls are saved in the table, and you can view the crawl report for each one. The crawl report lists all the pages found on the site and lets you sort them by the number of issues found. You can click on a page to see each issue and its related priority. Clicking an issue will show more information. You can also navigate this section by issue, and similarly click an issue to show the affected pages. Next is keyword tracking, which enables you to track the position and movement of your target keywords in the search results page. Simply enter your website's URL and set your Google location. This ensures you see insights relevant to your country. We support over 70 countries in SEOptimer, and you can see the full list in the video description. To help get you started, we'll list some keywords that you already rank for. You can also select from keywords mentioned on your site, and finally you can add your own keywords too. We'll track all your keywords right here so you can see your performance over time. There's also a tools section which gives you access to over 50 free SEO tools. If you have any questions or issues, just hit the live chat button in the bottom right and we'll get back to you. You can manage your account details and change your plan at any time from the My Account section. For agencies looking to supercharge their lead generation, our bulk reporting tool lets you run hundreds, even thousands of audit reports at once. CSV files containing URLs can be uploaded and batch processed. You can then download a zip archive of all the white label PDF reports and detailed audit results. Bulk reporting is an add-on and it starts at $100 a month. Thanks for using SEOptimer.